2025 in Prayagraj has not only reaffirmed its spiritual significance but also shattered every past record of participation. A festival that embodies the timeless essence of Sanatan culture has drawn an ocean of devotees, proving once again that faith can surpass all barriers. With a staggering 53 crore devotees already gracing the sacred land and expectations soaring beyond 65 crores by Maha Shivratri, this year's Kumbh is set to etch its name in history as the grandest spiritual gathering the world has ever witnessed. The numbers tell a story that is both awe-inspiring and overwhelming. On Sunday alone, 1.49 crore pilgrims took a sacred dip in the holy waters of Sangam. By the next morning, another 50 lakh and followed suit, reinforcing the unbreakable spiritual commitment of millions. The festival, which commenced on January 14 with Makar Sankrant, saw over 3.5 crore devotees in its initial days, with the footfall consistently rising instead of tapering off. With devotion reaching its height, managing this swelling influx of pilgrims has posed a monumental challenge for authorities. The railway stations of Prayagraj, designed to accommodate large crowds, have been pushed beyond their limits. Prayagraj Sangam railway station, originally scheduled to remain closed until February 14, has now been shut down until February 26 due to the unmanageable rush. To streamline crowd management, authorities have enforced strict platform regulations, limiting access only to those whose trains are arriving. The security apparatus has been significantly strengthened, ensuring smooth movement amidst the overwhelming influx. Pilgrims have been directed to 11 different ghats apart from the Triveni Sangam to disperse the crowd. But the sheer magnitude of visitors has led to makeshift resting spots along pavements and roadsides. The Mahakumbh has become a testimony to endurance of faith, where every obstacle is met with unshaken determination. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has taken a proactive approach to ensure the smooth functioning of the Mahakumbh. Round-the-clock monitoring, increased security deployment, and regular reviews of crowd control measures have become the norm. The railway authorities have introduced additional special trains and reinforced security personnel to manage the surge. Despite these efforts, the festival continues to challenge even the most meticulous planning. The DIG Mahakumbh Vaibhav Krishna has been seen personally overseeing crowd controls efforts, even arriving on horseback at the ghats to ensure devotees follow the necessary safety protocols. Police officers are constantly appealing to pilgrims to leave immediately after their holy dip to make room for others. The massive demand has led to another concern: overpricing. Devotees have reported exorbitant charges for taxis, bikes, and even basic necessities. Many have accused local vendors of taking advantage of the situation, charging double or triple the standards prices for food and water. The administration has assured strict action against overcharging, but controlling such practices amid an unprecedented rush remains a daunting task. Looking back, India has always embraced its spiritual traditions on a grand scale. From the historic Ram Mandir consecration in Ayodhya to Kashi Vishwanath corridors revival, the nation has been actively restoring its Sanatan legacy. The Mahakumbh stands as the crowning jewel of these efforts, a festival where faith, history, and tradition merge into an unparalleled spectacle. Despite logistical hurdles, surging crowds, and infrastructural strain, Mahakumbh 2025 has once again proven that devotion knows no limits. With lakhs arriving each day and millions immersing themselves in the holy waters, the event remains a grand testament to India's unwavering spiritual strength. Jai Hind.